Welcome to Sam's Kitchen Chronicles. Today, I want to invite you into my kitchen to show you how I do my meal preps. I usually have a video centered around stories or some sort of dish that I wanted to try, but for this week, I really just wanted to meal prep and invite you into my process. And so, this week I want to introduce to you Mealprep Mondays. I was thinking for this week that I should make something that my wife can take to work to pack in her lunch or dinner. So I was thinking something along the lines of either a sandwich or a wrap. Typically I'll either do that, or if I want to put something in a Tupperware container, then I'll just do like a rice dish or a pasta dish. For this week though, I think I'm going to do a wrap. Typically how I kind of brainstorm my meal plans is I start with the carb. So for example, it'll be either a rice dish or a sandwich or maybe a wrap or a pasta dish. And then I'll start to think about the protein that I might have. Usually I have a bunch of frozen chicken breasts in the freezer, and so I'll just thaw that out the day before, make that the protein, and then just go from there. So for this week, I actually planned that ahead. Yesterday, I thawed out some chicken, and then I actually bake sourdough bread once a week, but this week I was a little bit slow. So I actually just baked the bread this morning, and it's a little too early to cut into it. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna make a wrap. And of course, we need some veggies, so I saw that I had some spinach left over from a couple days ago. So I'm gonna use that as a lettuce sub, and then just a few things I wanna get from the grocery store. I wanna get some bacon, because you know, bacon makes everything better, and I wanna get some sprouts just to fill out the wrap a little bit more. And then I also have a little bit of Russian dressing from a little bit ago, where I had some Reubens, and so I'm gonna see if that's still good. I think it should be still good, and if not, I'll just make a mayo-based sauce of some sort. Okay, that's basically how it works. So join me as I do Meal Prep Monday. You ready? 이것을 시작하자. Headed to the grocery store to get some ingredients. Just gonna get some bacon and some sprouts. Just a 5-minute walk. That's it for today's Meal Prep Monday. All I did was look in my fridge to see what I had and got a few extra ingredients. And for today's meal prep, it should last us for a few meals over a few days. A few extra tips for meal prepping. It is a weekly undertaking, and you have to maintain it. If you get lazy, you'll waste your money on the ingredients going bad. But if you spend a little bit of time each week managing your fridge and rotating your ingredients, you can maintain a nice equilibrium and spend only a little bit at a time each time you have to go grocery shopping. If you have any questions or want to know more about my approach to meal prepping, please leave a comment. Remember to subscribe for regular updates, and hopefully this can be a source of inspiration and ideas for your regular meal preps as well. Happy cooking, y'all. I'll see you next time.